If you've ever seen the phrase GOG key and wondered what it actually means, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible, show you what a GOG key does, and walk you through exactly how to redeem one on GOG.com. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. So, what is a GOG key? A GOG key is a special code that you use to unlock a game on GOG.com. You can think of it like a digital coupon or an activation code. Instead of typing in a long explanation or paying again, you simply enter the code into your GOG account and the game gets added to your library. That means a GOG key can do a few important things. First, it adds a game to your account. Second, it lets you download and play that game. And third, it works just like buying the game directly from GOG once the code is redeemed. So if you receive a GOG key from a game bundle, a gift, or a purchase, it's basically your ticket to owning and accessing that game on your account. Now let's look at what a GOG key actually looks like. It usually looks something like this: ABCD-1234-EFGH-5678. The exact letters and numbers will be different, but the format is usually a mix of characters separated by dashes. Once you enter that code into the correct place, the game is instantly linked to your GOG library. Now I'll show you how to redeem it. First, go to GOG.com in your browser. Once the site loads, log into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create a GOG account first before you can redeem any code. After you're logged in, look at the top right of the page and click your profile dropdown. From there, find and click Redeem a Code. This is the section where GOG lets you activate game keys. Now type your GOG key into the box carefully. Make sure you enter every letter, number, and dash exactly as shown, because one wrong character can cause the code not to work. After that, submit the code. If the key is valid, the game will be added to your library right away. Once the game is added, you can go to your library, download it, and start playing. That's the whole process. A GOG key is simply a code that unlocks a game on your account, and redeeming it takes just a few clicks. If you found this explanation useful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials, gaming guides, and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.